Uzo, where are you? Yes, we need to talk right now. It's very important, please. It's very urgent, Uzo. We need to talk. Yes. Damn it.
Paul, what is it?
She's aware of what is going on.
Aware? Who?
My fiancé is aware of your marriage.
But Paul, what the hell are you talking about? It was supposed to be a secret between us, right? Why did you tell her?
I did not tell her. She overheard our conversation the other day.
Our conversation?
Yes.
But come on, we didn't talk for long. How did she know about the details?
Uzo, honestly, I don't like what this your marriage issue is turning into. I do not like it. I am tired. Yes. My fiancé threatened to look for your wife and tell her we're hiding something from her. She gave us 1 week. A week!
Tell your fiancé or whatever she calls herself to stay away from my family. To stay away from my wife. I warn you.
Do you know you're the cause of all this problem?
How do you mean?
Your love for Grace died all of a sudden, and you started maltreating that innocent lady. Taking sides with your mother instead of standing by her, protecting her if not for anything but for making you who you are.
And so what?
What if she made me who I am today? How's that your business?
Because I am not here to banter words with you. Deal with your problems.
Paul, for the last time, tell your fiancé to stay away from my wife. I won't say this again.
Also, don't spoil things for me. Deal with your problems.
I know every African parent will be worried over childlessness. But the ill treatment they are melting on me is going beyond childlessness. My husband and my mother-in-law doesn't joke with me before. What is going on now?
Mama, you don't have to do this. She's my wife. I want to cook for her. Besides, I haven't resumed work.
She is my daughter-in-law, and I want to give her welcome treat. A surprise welcome treat. You know that kind of sauce I used to make for you with yam?
Mama, listen to me. Okay, let me help. Let me just hold.
Don't worry. What you should do now is to go and stay with her.
Okay. I can see that I am the bone of contention.
Grace!
Good morning, ma.
You are awake.
Honey, good morning.
Morning, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
So,
What's going
breakfast in bed was supposed to be a surprise, but Mama ruined everything.
You ruined mine too. I wanted to give her breakfast in bed too. As my daughter-in-law, give her my delicacy. That yam and green sauce I used to make for you.
Mama, I want to cook for my wife.
Let me cook for my daughter-in-law.
Okay, calm down, both of you. Thank you for wanting to surprise me. I really appreciate it.
That's okay.
But it is my duty to take care of my husband. I mean, cook for him and my very beautiful mother-in-law. So please, if you both don't mind, excuse me, I'll do the cooking and I'll serve you.
Okay, because I am a supportive husband, I'll just help you slice.
I know, don't help me.
Okay.
Should I help you and slice the
Mama,
vegetable?
it's okay.
Okay, let me.
No, I don't need help. People should leave my
cut the
kitchen.
onions.
Excuse me. Thank you.
Let me slice the yam. All right. Okay, Mama.
Mama.
Bye.
If I'm the one that asks you to come and cook now, you will not cook. Oh.
Mama,
now you want
go
to
and
slice
meet
it,
your
want to
son.
slice everything. My
Don't
dear,
worry, Mama.
I trust you.
I will do
I
it.
know you prepare the delicacy for us.
You people are fighting for me. I got this. Uzoma, I know that I have not been able to give you a child. But at least for the sake of the love we shared, you should have at least stood by me and defended me from your mother. Or was the love just because of what I did for you? Uzoma. Uzoma. Come here.
Grace.
Uzoma.
Grace, how are you?
I am fine.
I don't have to ask you how you have been because I know you're. Look at you. You're looking very good. Life has been good to you.
God has been really good to me. And then where I served, amazing place. They are into solar panel distribution.
Okay.
Business is good.
My sister, after service, I've not been able to get anything. I don't know. Sometimes I get tired of life.
You don't have to.
I don't know.
Oh, would you like to do business? I don't know if it's your thing.
Business?
Yes.
Why not?
Yeah. Yeah, if
As long as you can pay my bill.
Why not? Business is good. If you don't mind doing it, then I can introduce you to the company where I serve. You learn the business, how it's done, and then I will sign for them to give you some goods. If you sell, you come back again. Like that, you can, pick up. You can
Just
start
like that?
Yes.
You shorting me to get goods from your company.
100%. I've done it for people that are not even close to me, let alone you, Zoma. Why not?
Grace, why are you doing this for me?
Why am I doing this for you? Why am I even doing this for you? Okay, you're not interested.
No, I don't mean that now. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
It's nothing.
Thank you.
Okay. God, please help me so the storm will be over. Please.
Grace Suba.
Yes.
You can't recognize me. This is Evelyn. Oh my god. Evelyn, yes, Evelyn! Oh my god. Evelyn, this is you. Oh Jesus, where have you been? Oh my, I can't believe this.
No way. What are you even doing here?
My fiancé is the MD of this place.
Dr. Paul is your fiancé?
Yes, he is.
No way! He is my family doctor. I came to see him.
You don't mean it?
Yes.
Sweetheart, look at you. I miss
I know. Evelyn the warrior. Girl, it's life. My dear, I don't even know. This life, I'm just so here and there. Family problem. I don't even know the one that is doing me now.
Oh my goodness, I just feel like eating you right now. You know what? Just give me your number. I have an appointment.
Of course.
I have an appointment to
Call me. I know, sweetheart, life.
Oh my goodness. I'll call you. We'll talk, okay?
Okay.
All right, my love.
Expecting your
Definitely, I'll call you.
Evelyn, the warrior.
My baby.
So, Grace, relax your mind, okay? Everything is going to be fine this time around. You will enjoy your marriage.
Thank you so much, Dr. Paul. You are so nice. You're like that big brother that I don't have.
Oh,
Thank
really?
you for
You're
your
welcome.
support, both medically and otherwise. By the way, I met your fiancé on my way in.
Oh, really?
Yes,
You met Evelyn?
I did. As a matter of fact, we are best friends from back in the day. Yes, we went to the same secondary school. We even went to the same jam lesson. Only that she got admission into another school and we lost contact.
Yeah. That's wonderful.
Yes, you are a lucky man to have her, I must say.
Really?
Yes,
Why did you say so?
a lot of reasons. If I start telling you about Evelyn today, we will not live here. Evelyn is respectful, she's kind, she's a very good cook. I'm very sure you know that one.
Exactly.
And above all, she never condones injustice. Back then, she's a tough one.
Yeah,
She is.
yeah, I know it.
Yeah. Alright, my regards to her.
All right, run along. I am glad you're happy today.
Hello? Hey Paul, what's up? What? I'm driving? To your office? Like right now? Okay. Alright, see you shortly. Yeah. Bye.
Oh my goodness,
Nurse, sorry, the MD, is this still in?
yes, but he's with someone.
Someone, a patient?
No, not really.
Oh, okay, I actually forgot something and it's very urgent, it's important, I need to get it.
Okay,
Alright,
come
thank
in.
you.
Also, I need you to tell your wife by yourself. My fiancé and your wife are best friends. They know each other. And from what your wife said about my fiancé, that she does not support injustice. Which means when she finds out that her friend is your wife, she will not hesitate to tell her everything. You need to hasten it up.
Hi babe.
Oh, sweetheart, you came back.
Oh yes, I forgot the paper I was supposed to give to my client.
Oh.
So I was on holiday.
Okay.
Oh, thank you.
So how's the wedding plans going?
Do you want to know? Fine, I'll tell you. The wedding plan is shaky because of you, Mr. Uzoma. I want to give you and my fiance the benefit of doubt to do the right thing. Because whatever decision you two make determines if this marriage is going to hold or not. Plus, I just found out that you have been the one maltreating my friend all this while. Wow. Amazing. Wow. You know, aside having my friend, I will still do this for any other person. Do you know why? Because she is a fellow girl like myself. I'm warning you. Don't you ever lay your hands on my friend again. Don't do it. Because if you do,
You are not going to like it one bit. Do have a look, please, Arizona. Bye, babe.
Also, I warned you, but you wouldn't listen to me.
Initially, I didn't want to get myself involved in a couple's affair. I mean, a couple's fight. Because you know how these married people do. They will settle with you. I didn't want to go in forcefully. But the matter is becoming interesting because this has to do with my friend. And honestly, I can't leave her now. I am going to stand by her and fight this fight because if I were to be in her shoes, she would do the same thing for me.
Babe, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for the stupid role I played in this whole issue.
Oh, please! Please, don't even try to justify the rubbish that you did. Don't try it. You know what you're supposed to do? You are supposed to bury your head in shame and not raise it for any reason whatsoever. And please, don't even look at it like I'm disrespecting you. No, I'm not doing anything like that. I'm not disrespecting you. I'm just giving you what you deserve.
Can't you at least...
Oh, please, let me finish. I'm still talking.
Bring down...
For somebody that did something like that, you're not even supposed to talk. I said you should bury your head in shame. Let me make this thing clear to you. This matter involves my friend. I'm going to see to the end of it. Oh yes! I am going to see to the end of it. And I don't care who gets hurt in the process. All I know is that nobody will get peace. You will not have peace. Uzoma will not have peace. Nobody will have peace until my friend have peace. I don't care who gets hurt. Oh yes! I will do what I'm supposed to do. Excuse me. Oh.
How long will I go through this? How long? It's taking over me and I can't bear this anymore. Yeah. How long will I go through this? Depends on how much I can't bear this any longer. Oh God, please come to my rescue. Depends on how much I can't bear this anymore. Oh, I'm in pain. Obio, I'm in pain. I can't believe I'm going through this. I can't believe.
This is just a reminder for you to know that I'm not joking. Believe me, I am very serious. Because my friend will not suffer for something she doesn't know anything about.
Hello?
Yes, Mr. Uzoma. I'm calling to tell you that today is Wednesday and that you have 4 more days to do the needful.
Listen, hold on. So I'm a bit confused, yeah? Why have you chosen to stress yourself over someone else's headache? And who are you to interfere in my marriage?
You know, whatever thing you and my fiance did that is causing Grace sleepless night is totally unfair. You know that, right? I am all out for her. I am really all out to fight for her. I did not call you to banter words with you like a market woman. No. I just want you to do the needful. And believe me, don't even think of coming for me, because if you do, that will be you digging your own grave. Do have a nice day, sir.
Hello? Hello? This is insane.
Hello, Uzo. I told you that I will call you back once I'm done with work. I am working right now, please.
Paul, listen to me. Tell your fiance, yeah? To mind her business. She should stay away from my family, please.
Look, Uzo, say whatever you want to say, but don't you bring up threats against my woman. What is wrong with you? If you had listened to me, we wouldn't be here talking about this.
I am not threatening you. It is not a threat. Just speak to your fiance. Tell her to stay away from my wife.
It's none of my business. Just don't bring in my fiance into this. Please. Please.
Just do what I asked you to do. Thank you.
Uzo, you know, a thought came to me as I was driving to this place.
You thought? What's that?
Yes. I mean, since you're finding it difficult to open up to your wife and tell her what happened before you two got married, so I think you should consider a divorce. Yes.
That's a good idea. I mean, at the end of the day, she wouldn't find out, right?
At least this whole drama will stop. But still, I'm trying to figure out the reason you changed. What changed you? You used to love this girl in question. You were ready to do anything for her.
Life happened.
Uzo.
Divorce her?
Yes.
I don't understand. Divorce her on what ground? No, make it make sense to me. Why will someone wants to divorce his wife? I don't understand. Hold on. Is it that Uzoma is impotent? That he cannot impregnate a woman or what? I don't understand it. Make it make sense to me. What are the basis of their divorce?
For Grace to have peace and rest of mind. Yes.
Peace and rest of mind. John Paul, you want them divorced so Grace will have peace and rest of mind. From where? A woman who does not know why a man who once loved her changed overnight. Is a woman you expect to have peace? Where would the peace come from? She does not know the reason why her husband changed and you want her to have peace of mind. I don't understand. You want people to look at her as the bad person. You want her to divorce her husband so people will think that she's the reason why the marriage did not hold. You want people to see her as a bad person? To see her as I don't understand. Tell me, where's the peace of mind in this?
No, sweetie.
No, don't even come close. Just stay there. Don't come close. Where's the peace of mind?
Can you listen to me?
Listen to what do you want to say?
Sweetie, some secrets are better left untold. Okay? Grace will be totally disappointed at me because she's been confiding in me all these years. Yes. She don't need to know. Please. And besides, my license is at stake. Yes. Do you want me to lose my job, babe?
Really?
I needed to see reasons.
Amazing. This is beautiful. I love it. Oh, don't you dare. Don't even come close. Oh! You never thought of this before you did what you did with your friend. You never thought of your license? You never thought of how you were going to mess up your life and your career? Before you did what you did with your friend? Listen and listen very clear. You have to tell Grace the truth. She needs to know. Alright? And when she knows the truth, you two can ask for her forgiveness. That is the right thing to do. Believe me. Can you just go back? Don't come close.
That's fine.
Thank you. John Paul, it's not like I don't know what I'm saying, but I'm not assuring you of anything. I am not promising you anything, but I will try to think about it.
Babe.
No. No. I can't allow Grace to suffer such wickedness from the hands of her husband. Knowing fully well that he is the cause of their childlessness. Paul and Uzoma, since you don't want to expose yourselves, I'll help you do it.
Hello?
Hey, please don't mention my name. Grace, just calm down. Don't mention my name. Is your husband there?
My husband is not around and he's not coming back anytime soon.
Oh, thank goodness. Please, I'm coming over to your place right away. There's something that is important I want us to discuss.
Evelyn, is everything okay?
No, don't worry. Everything is fine. Until I come, okay?
Okay. See you. Okay.
Uzo, this is not funny anymore. You need to tell your wife. Yes.
Paul, why are you stressing over this matter? I've told you time and time again that I would tell her at the right time.
When is your right time? That's what I want to know. Do you think my fiancée is joking? No, she's not. She threatened to call off the wedding if we don't do the needful. Besides, the ill treatment on Grace is out of hand. It is.
Paul, listen, you don't understand, right? I have gone too far. Turning back at this point is almost impossible.
Also, I advise you to talk and get this out of your chest. Also, I give you two options. It's either you talk to your wife or you stop maltreating her. I am not playing. If this your family issues affect my marriage with Evelyn, it's your word against mine and I am not playing about it. Your word against mine. Just leave. Get out of my office. Just leave. You're too stubborn for my liking. Leave.
Grace, you have to make a move for your own safety. This guy doesn't love you anymore. Look, I doubt if he ever loved you.
Evelyn, why are you sounding this way? Is there something you're not telling me?
That is what I am saying. I'm trying to tell you. Grace, you are not the only person that has childlessness issues. Alright? I don't know why they are making you look like you're the devil or it is your fault. Is it until you die? That is when you walk out of this marriage?
Evelyn, it's not as easy as you think. Please. I have actually thought of leaving this marriage 1,000 times, but I am scared. My mother-in-law, she sees me as God that gives children. My husband, who is supposed to stand by my side, is making things worse. My life is a living hell.
Grace, can you calm down? You have to stop thinking. You have to make a decision for yourself. This is not the time to think and come up with something. You know, gone are the days where you just want to sit and then enslave yourself all in the name of marriage. If the marriage is not working, you walk out. Yes, that is what you should do. Listen, if you die, your husband will go out there, get married to another woman, and life goes on. Yes.
Thank you for opening my eyes.
It's okay. It's okay, Grace. You're my sister after all. Don't worry, everything will be fine. Alright? Chris, there is something I want to reveal to you.
What is it?
There is a battle going on between me, your husband, and my fiancé. And it has something to do with your predicament.
What?
Relax.
What could it be? Huh?
Grace, I'll tell you what it is, but you have to promise me that you will leave this marriage afterwards. Please.
Grace, what are you doing there? And how dare you bring a stranger into my house? Have you gone mad? And what did you discuss with her? What did you discuss with her? I'm talking to you!
Yeah. Let today be the first and last time you would ever raise your hands on me again. I should die. Huh? I should die for you and your mother because I married you, Zoma. I have had it up to here. I am tired of your malnutrition. I am tired of your wickedness. I am tired of everything. You know what? I am going upstairs to pack my things because I am done with this marriage. Here is it. Choke on it. And whenever you see that lady, thank her for opening my eyes. Not enough. Better run for my life before they kill me in the name of marriage.
Hello, Zoma. What is it?
Your fiancé just left my house right now. I don't know what's going on, but we need to find out if she told my wife anything.
Uzo, this is the right time for you to tell your wife everything. Don't tell me to ask my wife what she discussed with your woman.
Listen, my wife just reacted very strangely to me. She has never done that before. Yes, we need to find out if your fiancé told my wife something.
Remember you said it's your cross. Yes, now carry your cross. Deal with it. Also, I have my own problem. I have a lot happening in my own home.
Paul, listen, hello, Paul, listen, wait, listen. We need to find, hello, Paul! Grace, where are you going? Where are you going? Listen, you have to let me explain.
Osama, I just have one question for you.
Yes.
Ever since you got married to me, have I ever disobeyed you?
No, you haven't.
Have I ever reminded you of the fact that I contributed to the man that you are today?
Yes, you did.
What do I get for all the submission I've given you as your wife? What do I get for being so submissive, for being a good wife? Oh, I forgot. Beating.
No.
You beat me every day on every slightest provocation. Do you want to kill me?
It's not me. It's the devil.
You know what?
He's the devil. Listen, you have to let me explain. Just can you just let me explain, please? Just relax. I'm sorry. I apologize for everything. I'm sorry. Hold on. Listen. You just have to understand that I can explain. Please. I know you. Hold on. See,
Don't
let me
touch.
go down on my knees.
Come in. How are you? Come inside. This is your soon-to-be husband's house.
Okay. He has a nice place.
Yes.
This place is very fine.
Very soon, you'll be living here. Yeah? And you will give me plenty children that will be running around everywhere. Come inside, come inside.
I will leave this back. Okay, you can have. See.
I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry.
Uzoma,
Don't touch me.
what is happening here? Why are you kneeling down before this witch?
Mama, stop it. She's not a witch. This is my wife.
Hey!
Stand.
Eh?
My wife. My wife is not a witch.
Chimo.
You need to stop.
Chimo, Uzoma, what happened to you? What has she given you to eat?
Do you know
in my
what?
absence?
Stop it.
Your mother has brought a wife for you, so both of you should enjoy it, but you will definitely hear from me.
I don't know who she is. Listen to me. Please.
Stop begging her. Allow her to go.
Mama, it is my
Mama,
fault.
go!
Mama,
Pack
stop
your
it.
things and leave.
It's not my fault.
Excuse me. What is your fault? Huh?
Babe. It's my fault that we don't have a child.
Ewo. Chimo. Osim. What? Nah. Are you impotent?
Mama, I'm not impotent.
Ebe.
That's not important.
Uzoma, what are you talking about?
Our genotype. It all started when we wanted to get married.
Thank you.
So have the nurse taken your blood samples?
Yes, but I don't think we can wait for the result.
Yeah.
However, either of us would come to pick it up when it's ready.
No problem. Once the test is ready, I'll give you a call.
That's all right. That's good.
Congratulations once again.
Thank you, man.
Mama.
Thank you, bro. So we go?
You haven't told him.
Told me what?
Oh! So my fiance and I were talking, and she suggested, and I obliged, that you be the best man at the wedding.
Am I supposed to jump up about it? Yeah? Am I supposed to jump up? I am your best man. If I'm not, who will?
You're happy now?
Yes.
All right, so thank you.
It's alright.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Hello? Hi, Paul.
Uzo, is your woman there with you?
Is it ready?
Your result is out, and I need you to come to the office alone. We need to talk about it.
Okay. Okay, I'll see you soon. All right, thank you.
Oh, good. I'm waiting.
Hey, babe. I am so sorry for keeping you waiting.
That's okay. That's all right. But I just got a call from a client. I need to meet with him as soon as possible.
Okay. In that case, I'll just take a cab.
A cab? Is that convenient for you?
There is nothing wrong with a cab.
I know, but I'm just making sure it's convenient.
It's okay.
You sure?
Just go meet up with your client.
All right.
Okay?
So when I'm done with my client, I'll pick up the result from the doctor.
All right. That's fine.
All right.
Okay. So.
Love you.
I love you, baby.
Oh. Uzo, sorry to keep you waiting. I needed to attend to an emergency quickly.
That's fine.
Yeah.
So, what does the result say?
Every other test is okay except your genotype.
Genotype?
Yes.
How do you mean? Can you explain?
Yes. You and your woman are both AS genotype, and medically you cannot marry. Because the chances of giving birth to a sickle cell child is very high. So I decided to tell you before Grace. I'm so sorry about this. I know how you feel. I know you love your woman so much, but you need to put it together.
Paul, I think I need a favor.
Which is?
Please, do not disclose this to anyone until you hear from me.
Okay. All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You and your woman are both AS genotype, and medically you cannot marry.
Oga,
Sorry.
you want jam me?
I'm so sorry.
You trying to be sorry?
Please, I'm sorry.
Your father.
I'm sorry.
Your mama. No tell me again, no.
I'm sorry.
God, I can't let her go. I love her so much. What do I do? What type of problem is this?
Honey? Are you okay?
Yeah.
No.
I'll be fine.
Mm-mm. You don't look fine. What is it? Huh? You can tell me.
I lost the contract.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Hey, come here. Oh my God. I am so sorry. I'm so sorry. I understand how you must feel now. Considering the wedding by the corner, the bills. But don't worry. Everything will be fine, okay? God will make a way.
Yeah, sure.
So, were you able to get the test?
No. So he said he had an emergency and he would let me know when it's ready. Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. Why don't we go inside? You will freshen up and I'll make you something fresh to eat. Okay? It's okay. Alright?
No, 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 no. No, Uzo. I will not advise you to take such risk. I know you love her, but...
Paul, you don't understand. I love her so much, I'll do anything to keep her.
Then if you love her as you claim, let her go. Yes. Also, I think it's better to bear the hurt now than facing the problem of marriage or sickle cell child problem. Let her go.
I'd rather have her. I'd rather do anything to keep her than have a child.
Than have a child?
Yes.
Are you serious right now? No, so tell me, what is the joy of marriage if you can have children running around you?
Oh, come on. You talk like you're from the Stone Age. You talk like you're not a doctor. I can adopt a child. People do that.
Adoption?
Yeah.
You want to consider adoption when both of you can have children of your own? Look, Uzo. They say love is blind. Not when the problem of marriage hits you. Think. I want you to think of the journey you are about to embark on. Think.
Babe.
Mm?
You're not sleeping.
No, I'm not. So I decided to stare at your beautiful face before I go to sleep.
Thank you. I love you.
I love you too.
You need to sleep, baby. Come on.
It's okay. Get some sleep. I'll just watch over you. Okay?
Okay.
Uzo, you're insisting that you want to get married to this woman. After knowing the consequences. After knowing what is at stake. How do you want to do it? When she must have seen the result, how do you want to convince her?
Well, she's not going to see the result, and no one's going to tell her about it.
No, it's not possible. How?
That's why I need your favor. I need you to help.
Help you to do what?
Manipulate the result. I want mine to come out as AA.
No. No, Uzo, I can't do it.
Please, you have to do it. Because I love her so much.
Nah. Uzo, this is not love. This is madness.
Listen, if you were in my shoes, you're going to do the same.
No. No.
Paul, you have to help me. I know you're going to do it because you're my friend.
No, Uzo, this is too much. Let's assume you get married to this woman, one way or the other. How do you prevent her from getting pregnant and bearing you a sickle cell child?
I won't let her get pregnant.
I don't understand. Will you be using protection or something?
Can you just let me handle that part? Okay? Leave that to me. I know what to do. But just do your own part, please.
No, I'm not doing any part.
Listen.
No.
Paul, you have to do this for me. Alright? I'm counting on you as a friend. You have to do this for me.
Uzo, this is too much. Uzo, I'm not promising you anything. I'm not.
I know you can do it for me. What are friends for?
Uzo,
I need your help, please. You need to help me. I'm your friend, bro. You need to help me.
Uzo, this road you're treading on is a very bad one. Uzo, can't you see this thing you're asking me to do is a risk to my profession?
Listen, I told you I am going to handle it. Just do your part. Okay? Just do your part.
So tell me, how do you intend to prevent her from getting pregnant? Tell me.
Listen, I have my plans, okay? I'm going to take some pills. That way, I can't make her pregnant, especially when she's ovulating. Alright? Listen, I love this girl. I want to marry her. I have to be very honest. She's the reason why I'm here today. Okay, I can't let her go. I love her so much and I want her in my life. I would rather adopt a child than lose her. Oh, you have to understand and do this for me, please.
Uzo, love is never enough. That's what I need you to understand. Okay, let me ask you. Do you want to marry this woman because she helped you? Or you want to marry her because you love her? Tell me the truth.
I want to marry her because I love her. And at the same time, I don't want to lose her. Do you understand me? I'd rather adopt a child than let her go.
Uzo, listen to me. That someone helped you does not mean you owe the person your life. Yes. Do you know if she didn't help you, your savior would have sent someone else to help you? You must not die for her because she helped you. See reasons with me, Uzo. See reasons with me.
Listen to me. Are you going to help me or not?
I hope you know what you're doing,
Listen,
brother.
just do what you have to do. And I'll do what I have to do. Okay? What are friends for?
It's not easy. It's not easy as you think. So Paul, what if tomorrow a problem comes out of this? How do you intend to handle it?
When we get to that bridge, we'll cross it.
It's not easy.
Paul. Oh, you.
Grace.
You did this to me, Paul. You.
Grace, calm down.
Ah.
Look, I know you're offended. you are hurt. Grace, you have every right to be mad at me.